This is how to play Si Amo Sa Rona Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo by Lucas. I'm not sure about the original key of the song, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp, okay? So without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says, Si Amo Sa Rona Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo Morena Otla Si Fetula. That's the first part, and then there's another part that says, Hari Twelempili Bazalwani Risike Rafela Mata Lihodimolilitile. Okay, it's quite easy. So it starts right here on this chord. Please pause the video and watch the chord closely. This is C sharp major, second inversion. From this one, it comes to this one, which is G sharp major chord. It is also known as our number 5. This one is known as our number 1, but it's a second inversion. And then this one is known as our number 5. Right? This is where it says, Si Amo Sa Rona. Right? I hope you understand. So from here, it goes to the part that says, Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo. So that part starts right here on number 4. Right? Right? From F sharp major, I think it's second inversion. From here, it comes here to C sharp major chord. Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo. And then it comes here to our number 2. Okay? Let me start from the beginning. It says, Si Amo Sa Rona. From here, Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo. And then from here, you're gonna go to number 1. You're gonna go to 1 and 2, and then you're gonna come to C sharp major second inversion, meaning you're gonna say, sorry, let me sing it. Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo Morena Otla Si Fetula. Let's repeat it again. Si Amo Sa Rona Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo Morena Otla Si Fetula. Alright, so before we move to the second part, I'm gonna introduce the bass, okay? So when you you start, when you press this chord, on the left you go to number 1. Si Amo Sa Rona. When you go to number 5 on the left, on the right, on the left you also go to number 5. And then from here, you're gonna stay on number 5 until you play 4. And then when you go to 1, you also go to 1 on the left. Let me repeat it again. Si Amo Sa Rona Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo. And then when you go to number 2, on the left you go to number 4. This is known as a slash chord. It is 2/4. Okay, this is 2/4. All right, let me repeat it again. Si Amo Sa Rona Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo. And then from here you're gonna say pa pa pa. Right? When you hit C sharp major second inversion, on the left you change, you go to number 5, and then you stay on number 5 until you complete all the chords. You stay right here until you say pa 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 pa. You only move when you get to this chord, which is C sharp major first inversion. Okay? Okay? So we are done with that part. I'm gonna play it for the last time, and then we go into the second part. Si Amo Sa Rona Se Ka Si Dul Si Jwalo Morena Otla Si Fetula. It's quite easy. Okay, let's go to the second part. our second part starts right here on C sharp major chord. Right? It starts right here on number 1. It says Hari. From 1 it goes to 4. From 4 it goes back to 1. And then from 1 it goes to 1, but the second inversion, meaning you're gonna come here. Okay? It says Hari Zwelempili. From our second inversion, it goes to 5, 5, 5, and then 1, 4, back to 1. Let me repeat it again for the last time. 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1. Okay? This is where it says Hari Zwelempili Bazalwani. And then from here, it goes to a part that says Risike Rafela Mata Lehodimo Lilitile. So on that part, you're gonna play 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. Again, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 1. This one is the second inversion, right? Remember, don't forget. Let me repeat it again. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 1. 5, 5, 1, 4, 1. This is also a 1, but it's the first inversion. Okay? I hope you understand. On the first one, we said Hari. It's 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1. And then this one says 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 4, 1. So we're gonna introduce the left. So on the left, when you play this chord, we are still on number 1, right? And then when you go to number 4, on the left, you also go to number 4. 4, 3, right? This is a slash chord. This is a slash chord because on the right you are playing a C sharp major, which is our number 1, but on the left you are playing number 3. It's a slash chord. It's 1/3. All right. Let me repeat it again. Hari. Right. You are on number 4. From here you go to number 3 on the left when you get to this chord, and then you stay there until you play this one. And then when you go to number 5, also on the left you go to number 5, 5, and then you stay there until you say, and then you go to 1. Let me play it without explaining it. Right, we are done with that part, and then it goes to a part that says this one is very simple on the left. You go into 1, you go to 4, 5, you stay on number 5 until you complete all the chords, and then you go to 1 when you come here. All right, so I'm gonna play it with a beat. I hope you saw it. Right, it says Siyamo Saru